And this is Today at the Office. I'm your host, René Diamante, and we are putting together a spectacular episode for you today. We are doing a pyrotechnic cake on top of a 14-foot volcano. It's gonna be awesome. So here we are, we're grinding up some potassium nitrate for our pyrotechnic cake. Well, our volcano is seeming to gain some form right now. It's looking like something from that Close Encounters of the Third Kind. But it's going to be spectacular. I'm way excited. Interior. Every time I look over, our volcano's taking more and more form. It's going to be a beautiful thing. Yeah. Here's Tim, he's hard at work, making dust out of it. Oh, there we go. Christian. He's a video bomber. And here's our pyrotechnic cake. We got a little conduit flame bar on top, just in case we want to add some fire to it. Well, here's our first test of our pyrotechnic cake. Potassium nitrate and sugar. It blasts off with 3 mines, and now it's smoking it up. And look at the beautiful colors coming out of it, and the pillowing white smoke. It gives you the real impression of a volcano. This will be placed on the top of that beautiful volcano that they're constructing for us right now. It's going to be spectacular. Hope you're enjoying this as much as I am. Hello, and welcome to Today at the Office. Yeah!
Let's get it done.
Let's get it done. Yeah, it's looking pretty good. Woohoo! Yeah! Woohoo! Yeah! I'm the king of the mountain today. Checking out our volcano from the top. He's climbing to the top of the mountain. How's it looking up there?
It's looking pretty good.
All right. Well, we set our final charges and we're ready to rock and roll. We're just waiting for our charge line and we're minutes away. And here is our pyrotechnic birthday cake. Happy birthday.
Woo! What's up, guys? I'm here with René. He just rigged the pyrotechnics for this volcano, which we're going to be blowing up on my channel, The King of Random. I'm Grant Thompson, The King of Random, and we're going to make some pretty epic science projects here today.
It's going to be epic, way epic. Tune in, tune in. All right, I'm ready to do this. You ready, Tim?
Oh, yeah.
Yeah. Well, we need to go as soon as possible before the winds pick up, because yesterday we had some high winds. But our volcano's ready to go. We're set with our pyrotechnic cake at the top. It's going to be spectacular. Spectacular. Woohoo! And this is our dripping hot lava rolling off of the volcano. Isn't that cool?
That is so freaking sweet. Guys, that is what 35 pounds of rocket fuel looks like in a giant science experiment volcano like this one. That was epic. It even had ash raining down from the sky, just like it would in a real scenario. How cool is that?
You know, we can come back because we've got this.
Wait, he's on his way. He's on his way.
Okay, we're here. We can do it. We can do it.
We could do it. Yes, we can.
Okay, let's do it.
Thank you for joining me on Today at the Office, and thank you to Grant Thompson for helping me make this extreme volcano happen. Yeah!
Worked out amazing. 35 pounds of rocket fuel in this thing. It was awesome. It was perfect.
Please like, share, and subscribe, and we will catch you on the next one.